my name is Jenny with filtersforlife.com, and I'm going to show you how to change the media on a Cimatec air screen air cleaner. They do come in multiple sizes. This is being a 20 by 25. You will first flip the furnace switch off, disconnect the power supply, pull the filter out of the filter rack, place it upright with the clips facing towards you. You will need to sometimes use a pliers or tool to loosen these up. Pull all the tabs on every corner. Open the unit up. Take your old filter out, your new filter, place it right in the center. You will need to make sure that all the corners are snapped in and locked. Place the unit upright, back into the filter rack. Plug your power supply in. Flip the furnace switch on, easy as can be.